Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to see Google Play Store download history. Go and open your Play Store. Now once you open it, you should click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then click on Manage Apps and Device. Now go and click on Manage. After clicking on Manage, here you will find this option, this device. You can choose the devices from here, and if you actually have deleted or uninstalled something that you have downloaded before by using Google Play Store, you can simply get it but from another partition. You just have to click on this button on the top left corner, then choose Not Installed, and by this way you can see all the programs that you have downloaded before but you do not have it right now installed. If you want to bring it back, you just have to select it like this, then click on this icon on the top right corner, this is download icon, and after that it will be downloaded again and reinstalled. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.